If you guys want to know how these Fenty Beauty lipsticks perform on Indian skin tone, please keep on watching. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. This is me Priya Sharma. I'm a makeup enthusiast and make makeup related videos on YouTube. So today I'm going to review the Fenty Beauty's viral lipsticks. If you've seen Rihanna's Super Bowl look, you've seen her wearing the very famous, the very viral red shade, the MVP from Fenty Beauty, and I have that shade along with a good nude shade. So let's quickly try them out. So if you're wondering that these are not available in India, then how will you get it? Then you're wrong, because Nykaa has launched Fenty Beauty on their website and you can easily purchase Fenty Beauty lipsticks from them. So it is available in their cross-border stores. They take 500 rupee extra shipping and they send these product to you. For more info, you can just check their website. Before I start with the video, this video is non-sponsored. They haven't even sent me these in PR. I bought them like a year or so back. So they have not sent this in anywhere and this is not sponsored. These are all my real views. So let's quickly get started. This is what the outer packaging or the cardboard box of the Velvet Icon lipstick looks like. And now let me quickly open this and show it to you. This is what the lipstick looks like. This lipstick retails for 2900 rupees on the Nykaa's website. So these come in 11 different shades and they have a shade for everyone. So there are a lot of shades and they are brown girl friendly. So anyone who has deeper complexions, you have a shade for yourself as well. Let's see what the claims of the company are. So company claims that this has one swipe, full coverage color, long lasting velvet matte finish. So firstly, talking about how this lipstick looks, it looks very beautiful. They have a very luxurious packaging. They have FB, the Fenty Beauty logo over here. It is floating in between this plastic cap and it looks very good quality. The plastic and the packaging is very good quality. It has this metallic, beautiful body. They have Fenty Beauty and the color is peeking through the Fenty written over here. And I have two shades in this. So the first shade that I have is Sea Sweet. It is a very beautiful pink, nudish sort of a shade. Let me swatch it for you. So this is what the lipstick looks like. It literally has a very nice color payoff. And the formulation is also velvety matte-ish sort of. It feels very creamy on the hand. And when you open this for the very first time, it comes all clear from here. And when you remove the wand for the very first time, the color fills in front of your eyes and that looks very mesmerizing. So the next shade is MVP and this is the OG shade that they came up with, and this is a very beautiful red shade. Look at this. It is a very beautiful blue toned red and this will flatter all of the Indian skin tones. It is such a beautiful shade. Look at this. The swatches are just speaking for itself. The formulation looks very beautiful and creamy and just nice and luxurious on the hand. And without any further ado, let's quickly apply this on the lips. So I've applied a lip liner on my lips and now I'm wearing the shade Sea Sweetheart. So I do not like pink lipsticks that much. I like the ombre of pink and brown. So I've applied a brown lip liner outside and now I'm applying the shade Sea Sweet. And this is what the shade Sea Sweet looks like. It is a pinkish, mauvish sort of a shade. And it has a very comfortable feel on the lips. It is very velvety and very comfortable. You do not feel that it is drying. It is super creamy and super nice on the lips. I find this shade to be very beautiful. It is a very nice pink shade. You can use it as it is, but it doesn't look very flattering on me. Pink lipsticks don't look very nice on my lips. It doesn't, I don't know, look good on me. So I always use a brown lip liner outside and then go in with the pink shade and that looks very beautiful on me. So I find this combo very nice. Talking about the lipstick, it is very nice, very comfortable, very creamy on the lips. It doesn't dry me out. My lips are super dry right now. Also, they are very dry, but it is very comfortable on the lips. Now talking about the lip creases, it does not emphasize the creasy texture of my lips that much. So if you have a lot of lip lines and do not like when they are that much visible, it will not decrease the appearance of them, but it will definitely not exaggerate them. So yeah, that's what the beauty of this lipstick is. Now let me show you how this lipstick looks in the natural lighting, because her lighting mein lipsticks बहुत different दिखती है. So I will show you guys in the natural sunlight. So there is no sunlight outside. It's kind of gloomy and there's very less lighting. So this is what it looks like in the normal room lighting. And this is what this color actually looks. It is a pinkish mauvish shade that you can see. It literally looks like that only. So this is true to its color. This is what it looks like. And it looks very beautiful. I'm loving the color, especially paired with a brown lip liner. It looks very nice on my face and my skin. Now we are going to put the OG shade, the MVP. The reason why this lipstick went so viral, you have no idea. It went that viral. People were crazy about this and I was just one of them. मैंने सबसे पहले शेड लिया था and then I went ahead and bought the other one. मैंने एक साथ ही लिए थे वैसे, but I went and bought the MVP first. Everyone has once thought of buying this lipstick. It is that beautiful of a shade. So let's put this on. Look at this. So this is what the shade MVP looks like. And if your heart hasn't skipped a beat looking at this shade, you're lying. This is such a beautiful shade. This is a perfect red. I love this lipstick. Although I do not like red lipstick on myself, I only own 2 red lipsticks in all the lipsticks that I have, and I have a decent amount of lipsticks. First red lipstick that I own is from MAC, and that is Ruby Woo. That is OG, and the other OG is this one. I only have 2 and it looks very beautiful on Indian skin tone, especially on mine. Red doesn't suit me that much, but it looks very, very beautiful. You can see how stunning this looks. It has a very beautiful matte texture. The doe foot applicator of this is also very nice and pointed, so you can easily make the outlines. I lined my lips using a brown lip liner, but I've covered that up because red in itself looks so beautiful. This shade particularly, it is the best red lip color so far. This is what the shade MVP looks like. It makes your teeth look whiter also, so it's a very nice shade. So till now I've talked about all the nice things about this lipstick, and now it's time to talk about some of the downsides of this lipstick, because that is also very important when you're buying a lipstick. So the formulation, the color, everything A to Y. I'll tell you why I'm saying A to Y is very good about this lipstick. And when it comes to Z, the last point about this lipstick is, which is a con, is that they are not transfer proof. They smudge like anything. The moment I applied it, I had red fingers already. If you go to any event wearing this, you'll have red lipstick all over your face. Like all over. I have this lipstick since 1 or maybe 1.5 year. जब ये latest launch हुई थी मैंने तभी ले ली थी दोनों, और उसके बाद when I got this, like मैंने बाहर से मंगाई थी, so when I got this and I tried it, उसके थोड़ी देर बाद ही my face was red from here everywhere. तो गलती से आपका ऐसे, look at this, सिर्फ इतने टच पे it will transfer. It is very transferable. Like, so I have a tissue here, दोनों sides पे कुछ नहीं है, see कितना ट्रांसफर है, ये इंटायरली ट्रांसफर हो जाती है. इट ट्रांसफर्स लाइक एनीथिंग, जहां भी टच करोगे वहां ट्रांसफर हो जाएगी. इफ यू आर वेयरिंग अ व्हाइट आउटफिट, दिस लिपस्टिक इज अ नाइटमेयर. यू कैन डेफिनेटली वर्क विद द न्यूड शेड्स, नो डाउट इन दैट, बट रेड जितना ही सुंदर दिखता है उतना ही ट्रबल क्रिएट करता है फॉर यू. आई डोंट नो, मैंने किसी को ये बातें बोलते नहीं सुना दैट हाउ मच इट ट्रांसफर्स. आई एम द ओनली वन आई गेस. मैंने इस पर रील भी डाली थी व्हेन आई बॉट दिस लिपस्टिक कि कितना ज़्यादा ट्रांसफर होती है. यू कैन मैनेज विद द पिंक शेड, द न्यूड शेड्स, बट रेड और डार्कर शेड्स, डार्क ब्राउन, रेड, जो भी शेड्स है इसमें, उसमें यू कैन मैनेज बिकॉज ये आउटफिट ही खराब करेगी. सो यू नीड टू बी वेरी केयरफुल विद दिस लिपस्टिक. आई लव दिस लिपस्टिक अलॉट. आई लव द फॉर्मुलेशन. आई लव एवरीथिंग अबाउट दिस. अगर कोई प्रोडक्ट होता 2-3 हज़ार का जिससे मैं इसे ट्रांसफर प्रूफ कर सकती तो मैं वो भी खरीद लेती. आई बॉट मेकअप फॉरएवर्स एक्वा सील टू मेक इट वाटर प्रूफ और ट्रांसफर प्रूफ, बट वो भी वर्क नहीं करा. दैट प्रोडक्ट सेपरेटली इज ऑल्सो एक्सपेंसिव, बट वो वर्क नहीं करा. मैंने स्पेशली इस चीज़ के लिए लिया था बट इट डिडंट वर्क. सो मैं और चीज़ें भी ट्राई करके देखूंगी, बट जितना ही अच्छा है उतना ट्रांसफर प्रूफ नहीं है ये. एंड लिपस्टिक्स शुड बी ट्रांसफर प्रूफ, और अगर ट्रांसफर हो भी राइट, शुडंट बी इतना ज़्यादा ट्रांसफर कि आप उसे वेरी ना कर पाओ. सो इट इज़ वेरी वेरी ट्रांसफरेबल. So yeah, it is still transferring, you can see. आप कितनी भी देर इसे रख लो, इट विल ट्रांसफर. ऐसा नहीं है कि इफ यू कीप इट हाफ एन आवर 1 आवर तो ये ट्रांसफर नहीं करेगा. आप इसे कितनी भी देर रख लो, इट विल ट्रांसफर. ऑल्सो ये एक ओनली इशू नहीं है. द अदर इशू दैट आई फेस विद दिस लिपस्टिक इज दैट इट ऑलवेज स्टेन माई टीथ. ऑलवेज. मतलब मैं अगर वाइप भी कर लूंगी उसके बाद भी आफ्टर लाइक 2 or 3 minutes ये फिर से स्टेन कर देता है. सो दैट इज अ बमर बिकॉज यू कैन गो टू एन इवेंट विद लिपस्टिक ऑन योर टीथ. सो I love this product like anything, but I can't just make it work. कैसे? And the third issue that I face with this lipstick is that the stopper comes off very easily. You can see my stopper is coming off. You see how it came up. So anyone who bought it when it was getting famous, अगर आपके पास अब तक ये lipstick है, you'll see stopper हट रहा है. My sister also owns the same 2 shades. उसका भी stopper हट गया है. So the stopper comes off very easily, so I have to take care of that. I have shared now all the pros and cons of this lipstick. So the pros are, it is velvet matte, it is highly pigmented, one swipe pigmentation, all of the claims by the company are true. But the 2 cons, that it is transferable, and second thing, it goes onto your teeth like infinite times, is a bummer, and that is what stops me from buying few more shades of this. They have recently launched a lot of nude shades that are so pretty that I really want to buy again, but I can't because यही shades मेरे use नहीं होते. So how will I use them? Pink वाला मैं use कर लेती हूँ फिर भी like once or twice कभी कभी, but red is just impossible. अब मैंने जब पूरा wipe कर लिया उसके बाद it is giving this much transfer. So I think that can work. If you really want to buy, then पूरा इसे blot करने के बाद फिर I think इतना transfer हो, it might work. You do not want that much fuzz after buying a 2900 rupee lipstick. फिर आप कुछ और भी ले सकते हो. So yeah, I'll leave it here. It is your choice. I have shown you all the pros and cons. To be honest, you should not buy this lipstick. But if you really want to try the shade and all the other shades, it has amazing shade and amazing formulation. So if you are willing to spend your money just because of that, you can definitely do that. So my final verdict is that I really want to buy this lipstick again, like a few more shades, but what's stopping me is the transferableness of this. So if by any chance it stops transferring, or if I get this much transfer after blotting, I'll blot and use, but that's about it. It's your choice totally. With a heavy heart, I'm saying all these things because I really like this lipstick. So yeah, this is it for the video. If you want a Fenty Beauty's Velvet Icon lipstick, please do let me know your views in the comment section below. And if you were able to make it work by any way, please do let me know your hack also, because it will not only help me but all the other viewers that are watching this video. So yeah, this is it for the video. If you like the video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Bye.